Let's open it up. What is it? How cute! She's got pink shoes and blue hair. Let me see. Time for our second Shopkin. Oh, how cute! It's a little loaf of bread with some butter. She has pink shoes. Okay, you ready to open this one?
Yeah.
It's in the Welch's Grape Jelly. Okay, let's see what's in the jelly. Which Shopkin is in the jelly, Bowie? Look! Look! What is it? How cute! It looks like a jelly sandwich. Let's open up the Peter Pan peanut butter. Which Shopkin is inside the peanut butter? Let's see. Let's see, what do we got? I don't know what that is. He's got some red hair and red glasses. Okay, let's see what's in the animal crackers. Which Shopkin is inside? Oh, cute! It's a little donut. See it? Cute. He has blue shoes. Okay, let's see what's inside the Rotel. All right. What is it? What's it gonna be? Oh my gosh, look how cute, Bowie. He's so cute. All right. Let's open the Eggos. Which Shopkin is inside of our Eggo? Look, look, Bowie, what's it gonna be? Oh, he's a little egg. How cute. See? It's a little egg guy. You want me to open that one?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see what's inside. Which Shopkin did we get? Oh my gosh, my favorite. A cheeseburger. How cute. Let's see who's in the tomatoes. Oh, we're gonna do Pringles. Let's find out who's inside of our Pringles can. Let's see who's inside. Oh, it's a bag of chips. It says crunchy. How cute. He is red and yellow with blue shoes. Okay, did we open the tomatoes yet?
Yeah.
Let's see what's inside the tomatoes. Do you want to open it? Do you need help?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see, what's it gonna be? It's a tomato. It's a red tomato with green shoes. Isn't he cute? Let's see who's in the Frosted Flakes. Do you want to open it?
Yes.
Who's inside the Frosted Flakes? Okay, let's open it up and find out. Oh, it's a little carton of milk. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. He's blue with red shoes.
Open It's waffle.
Okay, let's open up the butter. You want to open up the butter now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're going to see who's in our blue bonnet butter. Oh, we already opened that one. How about the Cheez-Its? I don't think we've opened the Cheez-Its yet. Do you want to open it?
Yes. She's amazing.
Oh, what is it? Let's open it up.
It's open.
All right, I think this is our last Shopkin. Let's find out what it is. Oh, it's a big piece of Swiss cheese. How cute. She has purple shoes.
No.
Oh, silly. You want to put the Shopkins back?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put them all back inside where they go.
No, this is still wet.
Good job.
I can't do that.
Here, let's see where she will fit. She'll fit inside the butter.
This is
Good job. You gonna put the lid on?
yes.
Okay.